share property rate for atade na omonam new term ho na o ha assembly no we assembly no person mo generate revenue we so omonne na mu a task force for no so ye adwuma ebi mo say task force for na dem bra show musem e bomba ebi mo say send ye say person task force for no ye omodwuma no emodwuma na omo ye ora ni ka so obeso eye a free runabout ekosi eye a free post office sorry a free total ekosi eye Jubilee Park last week and osanso ka say contactor no a free eye Isbeth ede call you ne hono ne no so but ene de esoye minim de eye total filling station ekosi eye Jubilee Park de no esiye emrante no ha mpin fon patcho makwaba
openyezo
ede amiase na pokupi esi de yene kai anko taba ana eye papa nso de aha minim de oso bebusa no se bobo na wo bobo hanaje oso opebo pa nti ebi wo ha ye ka se bo
eto bia na bo e wo ho no be commentary Dabi se Ethiopia o program se bo ba onya bof coach nso onya adwuma. Na mechese se e be wura mu a ye announcement no at that time. And the program change. Se bo ha tama de be we ne the announcement. Driver sem na meche o se e be bo yamfa ne se 7 a ye announcement no ye announcement in tem on dwene no on dwene so obi trim no enti me kan yo mukra na eba o da bi me chesa anhwe ya na menya de openi bi so mbeka se manyini zo menya akokra me abrante enti oboku ene ma ne basa
no problem
ano say as the a year of you know eto bi nso a me pon Davi enye event asem eto do bia me pon na me free ha nondu na
wo anopa no
nondu me chese me pon nondu na anopa na on say for the love of the country me kokoko municipality ni mhwenyo me ekoso aside that no so me name doctor so ehwe patients wodi madwuma me yenti ya na adwuma ye mi
you always in white
you see I'm always in white you know
PSA
general manager
ona aso ko okrom okohu say task force for no ebi bomba na se case so no so fa okrom say task force for no adwuma de omo bopa but me na me hu say assembly atem brantie ene mbai wa bi so gum omo refie mu ya tro omo hye atade green ene ya tro property rate ewe chire minimum say assembly for na besu mo pa no say wiki mo say ankomo na na ebedi go bo obi ene ho ye
bozo o say assembly for hye den
ebi mu embrantie bi hye eye ntade atro e chire property rate enti me azumu say assembly na asmo mo say ebi o how revenue they want to increase their revenue enti oha mimi susu say omo na asmo mo at the right time e be di hu nkomo but ye task force for no any matters arising
boss nkomo ya de nkomo ya de but woman violate the rules and regulations and the acts of the local government
ebi so mo issue bylaw no mo de ya
bylaw be boss you can't bring a task force without a 21-day notice to the public.
Abra onya where does it mean say be omoma?
Boss Makwa Assembly, there is no notice on their notice board.
And which one? A property rate there na
said. Some person here side do media na. Boss my public in enya where public awareness. Should be aware say tax force be say ba. So what I say now one we Ghana Revenue Authority.
But there's no way maybe I know so che be this sound common I have. There's no way say assembly be institute a task force to memo for nya way.
Boss say
one brother announcement ni bi nche say
oh dabi boss mrani say
on ya announcement
mrani say fasa notice ne bo the assembly or any public place toilets market lorry park and the assembly
omo yes alone no ha na media ma into a form of a publication no
boss we are some local government act ne so aka kire we say the traditional radios in the municipality should be aware.
But when one bahanan chess on you.
Boss, me one bahanan hame, but one bahano. Me call mail lorry parker. I have to see the notice.
Okay.
Me call assembler and say who the notice. Say ebo baby should boss me who they are stand to be corrected. Say ebo baby should mean who they because baby local government act na catch them say bono. The assembly ni notice board or public place to say main station. To say na nabusuma edwam. Ana fe to say baby akese nipa hia obi ya no say ebi kobo ho because esi there na assembly ni timi ko ayi tepa station what is saying DK of resign no wow ekokoji ayi ticket wa hu say boss a passenger for efa car wo Yamfu station ho
yeah
it means say some person hear anything about Ghana for fasade ni bi kobo. You can't tell me say ubetimi agi wo mu ticket e wo ho but when it comes to say wo mu tua property rate emra ne say fa bibi kobo ho na afi wo mu hunu say property rate ne kra no when anima different property rate. What is property rate?
Na me say so oma be ya announce wo ha na nche say omo nya na
na me bo me ka say enya announcement wo ma ye no Sompa ha so wa me ya announcement wo Sompa ha emra ne say fa kobo a public place public place no so wabuba kire say market na ade nti say eboba bi a minimi dia boss stand to be corrected ochina meso da akwa akubusa wo mo and two sa property rate na wo mo ye the boss it is untimely
na you on time
it's untimely boss uji scan dia na sunya ni municipal assembly jisika wo mo de ye boss na no Friday mi ko brekum ma me mo na do dan ko akufu ado ne MC ya owo brekum abaso boss kohwe ultra modern lorry parker MC ya owo brekum wakukuresi
na how lorry park be na ape because he fan ape lorry park
boss lorry park
open lorry park I dey one
boss lorry park na MC no brekum na ye no old station to say old station there wa ha no e na wakan bom e na wadwira brosani nyina gu and on the old
but you can't compare Brekum to Sunyane.
Why?
I don't say a higher a Hano regional capital. And then now also say what Brekum lorry station. Sunyane the end Dawson. In Kofubo, how would you so compensate you? But if there is other project, be also say scale on Majiji, won't find ya. Oh, that's all compare Kronketua and be to the capital. I have.
Boss, I mean, nim size in the America. The size of the main station, Ewo Sunya Haseno, is bigger than the size of the main station. Ewo Brekuma, a very, 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 very ultra modern, magnificent.
Oh, says Sunyane war a main stations and as more stations be brave. Or more Wednesday market. It sounds so ye Bakuya Wahaya, Share station, sounds so. Another one at the GPRT for one. And a Brekum were one station, meaning comparatively no. Sunyane so same Brekum.
Brekum were 3 stations.
Into a Juhon 3 stations in now.
No, the old station to say hard and no. And a Kuroni in to know. Ya what the Gamuano to say a year friend saying that Gamuano.
Wednesday market.
Wednesday market. That
Gamuano station.
One. Was ye this what you na and only them for man cassa semi do we am bayano semi
but me who station is that na a stretches a honor na in no
so what I say
but ahano you can't do that.
Why can't you do that boss?
But main buildings I want compensation about you
boss na the same buildings and why you want them hono
I have
Brekum de na make
Brekum na India more
WWE boss na adansi wo. You can ask the presiding member.
And a compensation I'll bet you, Sunyane. Nana, the young concept. No,
what's the compensation? I don't compensation.
My member, a usual.
And I will go here.
What's a god and appear God to appear a physical? You get compensation, maybe for. And then I Sunyan the regular capital. Yenti me my yini into the order 2%. Oh, compensation. Over modern, you go see what today. You go see what today. Now those are said that. What they are planning, Jenny. kwani mu hu say the small ayi na yamfa ayi half baby mbutu penalty dey design
18
but yamfa 18 mu na si park you and then they are beginning two bombs a small plot no was see abro say to aso num and then we don't need a vast land before you go on modern way of say we ayi open say yan come asase ben
ebi
na mo asase yes
mame sha asem free go for mu nenam if you know more GGW property rating. Now from baby me new poku ya adwen from baby me nya adwen ma me sha sem fi baby am ne nya adwen baby am ne nya adwen say what say 21 days in about and yen ne ba be launch property rate is already in the system. If you bia understand say there's something called property rate and yen ne be share property rate as of mine anya fe ne introduction as is stipulated in the constitution. As stipulated in the constitution, say you are mandated.
No, boss. No,
that's what Bianca said. Yes, we can. But if you
why he doesn't know, say.
No, but Omra now go to na me said there. Mara say introduction there. Then it's called for 21 days. And because assembly,
but it is
any introduction is in existence. It's in existence. Long time ago. Property rate. We are just enforcing the law.
Enforcement no more.
Enforcement.
When you are enforcing, you are not mandated to get the 21 days. Ebi for the all cano. Emran chichiromu sa. Emrabian chichiromu. Because it's already in the existence. But baby, many assembly in your agenda say, and I say me D as they introduce in what y'all say. You have all this mechanism, you have the information vans, I will hold my motor full bit my rounds, and you're more effective when it comes to property rate. Your areas via your association of landlords. You meet them and make education to them. For the safety of Omwa, Ebi Omunamo Omukwa Jiskan, so being far dear monitoring. As I can so much how many people the bit me say we can identify you. And any power bonnet for Abba, or be a pam iron tad, no, then I'm no Jinko Fusika. How would we even know? The assembly will not necessarily say, come to your radio station and you know. And even if you have to come, you have to. Because Ebi, the assembly have a cordial relationship with all the radio stations in Wukruma. And the DNA get so difficult, say, baby, all better crowd, you pay and do your commercial. So also you get butter trader. You do the butter and go forward. Assembly have negotiation and been into their meeting with media more negotiations. So they don't have an excuse. So Mbeka say model room information vans and them fee now baby can I say me timi fee. Now catch them so atade actual property rate. Me atade me fair chira Mr. K betima print be mami. Now I catch them say atade I should pay property rate. It doesn't sound well. A honey baby me who's assembly no I am from so bibri I also work be fast forward yamra market no I can opoku
boss but I'm so correct to kakrebu the attorney say fee fixing resolution according to the local government act no it is done once every year.
That is fee fixing. Fee fixing is different from an introduction of a bylaw or any law in existence. Fee fixing is different.
Property rate is part of fee fixing.
No, you can't fee fixing any say.
Fee fixing. Property rate is part of fee fixing.
Me patcho beba. Fee fixing. You can't fee fixing. It's just a brofo. Ebi. You wo emra wo hoduma e cho say rate we yetua, including you can say property rate. But every year you can renew the fee. Meba. Every year you can renew the fee. When we are renewing the fee, you inform them, say, this is a review that we are doing, which is periodical. But they all can't emphatically say the Lord. That's what I'm saying, say, if it is new, then it is mandated, the honors lies on them, say, or taking the days to.
That's all cover of Fogu, and I focus on
the now, Fifth is a
price now, boss. I come property rate now more.
That's no couple or couple of Fogu. Should I say, I'm running a country.
Boss, me say, property rate task force. No,
yeah,
a property rate here, Mra Dahono, increment here, Abahono, and a warm edge. Boss, see, I'm no saying, I never for ticket now, a fee fixing. No, mojo 1 city. Now, I'm up to echo 2 cities. They did not consult the drivers when they were increasing the prices. No more so made the ticket tonight. Aba Opa main station. all the lorry parks go busa say omo tumuno omo ka kire hwan. Boss, this is the law. Emrani nie according to the Local Government Act no. Or see me bacha they making kind no. Section 41. Section 41 clause 1 of the Local Government Act also participation in bylaws and fee fixing resolution. District level stakeholders may A. participate in deliberate function of district assembly by the publication of a draft by fee fixing, including lorry parks or any other payment of the assembly by the stakeholders, property rate fee fixing resolution in the media or a mass communication in the district that includes at least some radio stations, print media, notice board on the premises of the district assembly and in the major towns and settlement in the district or all public places that assembly do collect levies or fees from before the commencement of the proceedings on the draft by bylaw. If an increase in a fee fixing is to be introduced, there must be a mass communication to the stakeholders on the increment of the fee fixing. And I make say,
baby, property
rate property rate na
disprove you say may. And yes, sha. Read the law. Shall say from your statement. Or say may.
The way na may we.
The wow kind of baby.
Or say, but one can make. One can make. When a law, remember, when a law section is started with may, it is where the may commences. But when it starts with shall, it is also where the shall commences. It's mandatory. 7 period, sir. You're a lawyer for, but lawyer and kitty be a yes, yes. When one started with me, the before starting said that this assembly stakeholders participation in deliberate function. Or see me. What I say? Oh, men in the can say even if it is May or Sha. If it is May or Sha,
never pay me epe.
And I then Rana catcher say, what person to lorry fame?
Yeah.
Sorry, what person to
property rating.
Property rating.
Property rating no more jiji. Oh, my catcher say, did you know more jiji? There have been a review. Oh, my cancer. Tio. Under the fee fixing no can. So assembly for the case. A bonnet on yatum. Entin kwadane ne na mo jiji that. Then you have a case.
Yeah.
But minimum him say already omo jiji. And I feel from the budget that was read for 2023. Adia ba ko no money ko ho pa. A property rate.
Property rate na make the only kanji ya no. E dey no na mo see dia ye.
O can sell me.
The only kanji ya no. O
can sell me.
We don't start to send the market here see you go dey dwam ho ya domafo aye bi no. Dia no na mo see we ko no. We so aye no
o can sell me.
Obo pokuba na.
Be ma opokuba. Asema o can. Menen ya agent.
But this can aye the only kanji da na kire me.
O can sell you have a point.
What to ayi adrama for one ticket nim. Who buy am fie me ansan wo se me na e ba no. Dia no what can this can I?
Mami to so come market.
Oka ene say no. Sad.
Unya hute.
Dabi kasa ususu say onye
hute. Me say wa ye hu.
Aha, ba ne nche say onye bibi.
Dia wa ya na me see mama na e say o de o metem na me konkohwe.
When it comes to market no oka. Sunyane everyday market.
Yeah.
A busy than Bekum main market.
Yeah.
Na ye den.
Oh, maybe I'm drawing the analysis.
The more the business, the more your revenue.
Maybe I'm drawing the analysis.
What do you draw? What do you draw? What the professor?
Today you wake up at the best side of the level.
What the professor made you?
What come breakum there?
What did made you?
You want to frustrate you?
Oh, no, or that's sorry.
That me profit me to say.
Compound there the assembly can AC.
Exactly.
What I say, yen himself.
Nana Tobo ni me ni sa na Tobo.
What yen himself assembly we driver ni sika. Mara say fire urine na ma driver ni baby oti no onye baby.
Ndu the only me ni sha bia ni ase.
You will June in Suoto. Nti MC what did you sika previously? Fabi my lorry park. Fabi my baby abedo so. Baby abeja and heavy. Oh main station.
Mamma lorry park. Ebi. Mamma lorry park. Mamma be ọ̀nà ni kókó tún náà di o.
Ẹnẹ de ọha mpa.
Ana mi yi di ọkọ ni bi
ara.
Market ni esi hɔ. Ɛyà ade a ɛnyɛ obi a fɛ okuruma.
Market na mu de wɔ hɛn.
Everyday market.
Dada dwom hɔ no.
Dada dwom. Yes.
Tifio.
Tifio.
Traso so ọbɛka. Nana boku. Nana Tobo ọbɛka brofo.
I say fear GPRT for the assembly for there.
Ufro Baseville for abro san yellow na. There is a winner. Empty abro sign. Sana mutafre.
Common empty one baby or the afa.
There is a toilet up there. There's a facility up there.
And no assembly for there.
Any assembly buildings. Our building a assembly building.
Assembly ni toilet to main station what?
Our building a assembly
public one ana.
Public one.
But in so more.
Public one there shall no. The assembly shall provide the lorry park with toilet facility.
Mandatory.
Mandatory. And then me.
Yes.
And yeah, sharp. All that kind of bro for me, cabro. Yo. Ebi. A whole na ye pese ye. Da bia me yam hye se. Ada nyame mfasa mama no susumi na so. Eja beto sa ayi ho no. Ye ntimi nya hwe ho. Yeah. Fire service for SO mu tent ho. But they know very well say the only thing that bet my was say education. Say baby cry fire tenders no cry be fair room no. Difficult for them. Ye nyina ye ne nye ho. But ye kro yi kwan a assembly and then your traditional system no. Yeah. Tetene se nyo muti area 1 area 2. Ebi unam ho ase nye na nkofo si containers si ho a unse kwan de demu a wutimi eye accessible no. Mo trouble no. Se di o maye no. I say kro no.
Nti assembly sha say je property rate.
Ebi ano de akire be pass because ye nya match but dem can say sa a market na ho. Okay. Se ne ye kase ye bubu na. I don't think they have immediate solution. Okay. Ana two sika ebe demand ya sa we no because ebi say kase ye ya say most of the taxi ranks na ho no omra ne shift enyo mu pe no but baby a cars no kra be gina no omunya enti say kase ye was ye no once and for all ye no yes but the budget
na ultra modern lorry park won so gene
na obia da bio but aye da eye unia na ususu se nunia na wo brekun but aye ne say obesi market dia ma ne nkofo ebia na nsukumi aye onabon so but aye ne say ebia chip compound nsuo ni ade ne bebi omunya school phone to me nko ono bebi nkofo nya school enkwa na say school dan mo ntumi nchira ade wo no so but aye na obia na but aye eso obia na but aye
ebia and they don't
go Facebook
we me ni bia na sha we may ni bia na sha
may provide one medija with new lorry park
na say we say lorry we ade what the susunya ne a ebe ya nipa nkom
we would we sunya
enkom
market women enfa no
enfa
this is a building just like this is a building just like MTN Dino.
Yeah.
The Brekun for I said Napoku yes a bin see that. It's just a block. It's just a block.
Hey, tipa trucks in net film.
Until sa bedun ya o dey to ayi so yi. Almost
na ya what them. Dada jump to say main station.
Insu na ta ho na.
Insu
ana camera na.
Our system of marketing is different from way.
Yeah, it's
different.
Different from that of station.
Yeah, Uko main station wa this type of market be wo. Sir, strategies.
Yes.
Dwarf one see.
Nana was well.
Shirts. No, my.
Ebu. That dream here.
Yeah.
Baby, GPRT for one.
Boss, who market? Very market.
No, baby, come American.
Yeah,
but even your system of marketing. Omuye we ya a bit inconvenient because a man be was stores and kasa go inside kepokumu ho and the steam ho that side ho no ma o ye ne sa share we na embo wum ye wo ba bia ntosu for the makofo no ura station mu shed no ho but ye can say
wey me
say ye besi a oboku I was say ye modernizing no and the more you want to modernize it, it comes with a quantum amount of money. Municipal assembly means a modernized market.
Yeah, cause Sompa newsroom.
Yeah, sister city.
So fire market.
Yes, you find new market.
New market.
Yeah.
Where says can you say?
No,
traditional modern market says can I buy and sanka ye pedi takrade market ni bi na
assembly means that type of market.
Ye family ne sha ne mfensi ha ye ko news akofa news 6 yakopo bo ochina ye bedi property rate nechi ehu so the brofo bedada no na the brofo pugumiso na sha ne me yakopo bo a ye besia yakopo bo ochina hwe hu su ye de na se be ma abofke ni Mr. K na